Welcome to the second video of the Spark Architecture series. Once you submit your Spark application using this command, you specify the number of executors you need, the executor memory that is 4 GB, the executor cores is 4, driver memory as 2 GB, and your Python file. Once you submit this Python file to the driver will parse your Spark code, it will build the DAG, it will optimize the execution plan, splits the DAG into stages, and splits each stage into tasks. We will see in depth how these steps are done in the upcoming classes. Once driver splits the stage into task, it will ask your cluster manager, Yarn or Kubernetes for resource availability. So the cluster manager will see which worker is available and which one is busy. So here, as we can see, for example, 2 workers are showing as available, and each worker is having some specification. Like this is worker 1 having 8 core CPU and 32 GB RAM, and this is worker 2 having 16 cores and 64 GB RAM. Once cluster manager sees these two resources are available, it will see how many executors it needs to create. So here, as we have passed 3, so it will create, this is executor 1, this is executor 2, and executor 3. Once it has created these executors, next the driver will assign the task directly to these executors. And these executors will also have some memory and some RAM. These executors are nothing but our containers. So imagine a worker 1 is a physical machine with few specification. The cluster manager will create a executor with some specification and some RAM. Once driver sends the task to the executor will process all the tasks. If you see here, this is executor 1, which is processing the task 1 and task 2. Similarly, executor and executor 3 are processing their own tasks, and these tasks are nothing but partitions of our data. And what is the maximum task that can be executed by this container? That is equal to 4. The number of tasks will always be equal to how many cores that container has. If it has 4 cores, so maximum 4 tasks can be executed in this single executor. Hope this is clear. In the next class, we'll see how the DAG is made in driver and how the execution plan is done. Thank you.